Hey everyone, it's that time of year again. It is time for the Penguin Magic Awards. It's airing April 19th, 2024, and this year we've gone above and beyond any of the award shows you've ever seen before.
Voting is live right now. Go check out our Instagram. There's all kinds of information on there on the categories, the nominees, and who you can vote for. Voting ends March 29th, then we'll be airing the results on April 19th.
Yeah, so in this video, figure we should announce some nominees.
Yeah. The nominees for Book of the Year are Letters from Juan by Juan Tamarez, Very Hush Hush by John Bannon, Unlock by Mark Elsdon, Parallax by Max Maven, Slightly Absurd by Charlie Frye.
Here are the nominees for the Deck of the Year. Wonka Playing Cards, BX Cherry, Butterfly Playing Cards, the Royal Purple Edition, DeLand's Donut Shop Playing Cards, Yellowstone Playing Cards.
Here are the nominees for the Close-Up Trick of the Year. Impossible Escape by Patricio Teran, Demi Deck by Angelo Carbone, Intrickation by Dr.Cyril Thomas and Justine Cesari, Gatekeeper by Craig Petty, Lucid by Roddy McGhie. Here are the nominees for the Parlor Trick of the Year. Hook by Eric Ross, My Word by Dan Harlan, Poker Face by Bill Abbott, On Edge by Angelo Carbone, The Amazing Jonathan's Knife Through Arm.
Here are the nominees for the Mentalism Trick of the Year. The Executive Pad by Dennis Alm and Dick Barry. Predictions by Roddy McGhie. Decks by Lloyd Barnes and Javier Funemeyer. Discovery by Spooky Nyman. 52 Stunner by Juan Capilla. Here are the nominees for the Electronic Magic Trick of the Year. The Faraday Pad by Infinity. DragonScale by Penguin Magic. X-Light by Kingsley Xu. Leviosa by Joao Miranda and Julio Montoro. Interceptor by Mariano Goni.
And now, the nominees for Money Trick of the Year. Ghost Coin by Nathan Cranzo, Liquid Cash by Henry Harrius, The Hancock Change by Kyle Purnell, Super Sucker by Rizky Nanda, Melt by Biz.
Here are the nominees for the Card Trick of the Year. Envelope 2.0 by Brandon David and Chris Turchi. Card Tune Remastered by Dan Harlan. Pow by Eric Casey and John Michael Hinton. Defaced by Martin Briesas. Hip Pocket Mullica Wallet by Tim Trono.
And finally, the nominees for the Creator of the Year. Rizky Nanda, Roddy McGhie, Dan Harlan, Juan Tamarez, Craig Petty. Now you may be wondering, where's the Trick of the Year? Well, all of the nominees in these categories are then going to be put up again to find out who could be the Trick of the Year. And it's going to cap off a really exciting award show.
So don't forget, voting is live now and ends on March 29th. And then we will air the actual awards show on April 19th.
We'll see you right here on YouTube for a live premiere.